Good grief. Good Grief, Idaho is located in the Boundary County. It is a tiny community situated roughly 3.5 to 4 miles south of the Canadian border along US Highway 95. The surroundings are mostly open land, hills, forests, and farmland, which is why it feels so quiet and peaceful when you drive through it. Everywhere I looked, there was beauty all around us. We passed sparkling lakes, cows grazing in green fields, wide open land, and beautiful homes sitting peacefully in the countryside. It reminded me that God's creation does not need to be complicated to be beautiful. Watching the cows resting in the fields reminds me of a simpler life, one where people live closer to the land and appreciate what God provides each day. I don't see the sight like that where I live anymore, so it made the drive feel even more meaningful to me. The lakes reflected the sky so beautifully that at times it almost felt like a painting. The homes we passed looked so peaceful. They were surrounded by trees and fields. Every part of the drive felt like a reminder that God fills the earth with beauty for us to enjoy if we take the time to notice it. During our trip, we stopped at Burger Express for lunch. We ordered hamburgers and they were fresh and delicious. The warm meal felt comforting and simple. Sometimes God blesses us through little things: a peaceful drive, a good meal, laughter together, and safe travels. When we finally reached Good Grief, the area felt quiet and still. The peacefulness of the countryside made me feel thankful for the day and for the chance to step away from the busy life for a while. Trips like this remind me that happiness does not always come from big plans or expensive things. Sometimes it comes from quiet drive, laughter shared on the road, and the blessing of seeing God's beautiful creation with your own eyes. The mountains, rivers, and forests all seem to reflect His goodness and care for this world. As the day went on, I felt thankful for every part of the journey, thankful for safe travels, for family, for the beauty of nature, and for the peace that only God can give. Driving to Good Grief, Idaho was more than just a road trip. It became a reminder to appreciate the simple moments, trust God with each step of the journey, and find joy in the quiet places He leads us to. If you like these simple moments and this beautiful nature, don't forget to subscribe, click the like button, or share with a friend so we can keep growing together. And thank you so much for being part of my journey.
their cool sign up there. Snoopy driving. Probably the last stop.